Hello guys, and today we are going to talk about shrinkflation and rampant inflation. First of all, shrinkflation. So shrinkflation basically refers to idea that the cost of the product remains same but the amount of the product reduces. I would give you a specific example, that is the Parle-G biscuit. So Parle-G biscuit which costed around 5 rupees from a millennia, but still the amount of biscuit starting from this amount to this amount to now this only, with around 4 to 5 biscuit, is now a norm. Why this happens? It happens because they want their particular share of customer that is going to buy their product to remain, but they know at a higher price point that customer won't be able to afford their product, so they thus reduce the quantity but keep the same price. What it does to a packaged product is not much harmful, specifically because it's heavily regulated, but unpackaged products that are available in the market are very harmful and are a serious cause of concern. Why? I will give you an example. A chole bhature plate, which it proclaims itself to be made from desi ghee, as well as being having paneer in it. Could you imagine it costing to 40 to 50 rupees? No. But people buy that in bulk, in hordes of people surrounding these shops. The thing is, you can't afford the amount of paneer that exists in that chole bhature, around 40 to 50 grams. 40 grams of paneer or 50 grams of paneer in one plate of chole bhature. Can you imagine? Paneer which costs around 40 rupees per 100 grams at even dairy, which do some non like mixing it with different stuff. At there also paneer costs 40 rupees per 100 grams. How can you imagine it to be consisted within a 40 to 50 rupees plate? Only paneer will cost you around 20 to 25 rupees. Apart from that, desi ghee, a tin of desi ghee nowadays costs 550 to 600 rupees. And we all know that cooking a ghee multiple times causes it to create trans fat and saturated and unsaturated fats, which can further cause various types of diseases. So, specifically in that scenario, using desi ghee rather either multiple times where it becomes toxic, or using not desi ghee, cooking it with not so much healthy oil or probably palm oil, and then putting some kind of little fragrant amount of desi ghee to make it smell like it's being made in desi ghee. Those are both bad practices. Or 20 rupees bread pakoda with with 50-gram paneer, the same cost that is of the paneer is of the whole bread pakoda. You are not even including the cost of shop owner and its workers that are working in that shop. It's going to be 100% analog paneer, no chance. So what you need to do, you guys need to be diligent in choosing the shops that you are going to. If you are getting a chole bhature at that astronomically good cost, it's probably or maybe 100% not true, because it can't be made, then not taking a loss on themselves. So try to find a place which cost around 150 200 for that thing, i.e. chole bhature with desi ghee and paneer, and for around 50 to 100 for a bread pakoda at uh, an retail outlet, probably a shop which freshly makes it and you are able to see the process. Though I would suggest to avoid both of these things, specifically in the market, and cook for yourself, but you have this taste of delicacies, then that's the best scenario. Try to avoid all these things, especially in case of a rampant inflation. What is rampant inflation? So you have seen, since due to the geopolitical scenario, the cost of everything is going up. Why? Because the cost of fuel, the diesel that is used in trucks that are used for transportation, is increasing. Thus, the cost is being put on to the various different ingredients it carries and works as a lifeline of a country. Therefore, the higher cost of the goods leads to poorer quality because they can't increase the prices. So keep that in mind, spend wisely, eat wisely, and eat healthy. Hope you like this video on rampant inflation as well as shrinkflation. Thank you.